Happy Friday. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tali from WSI Digital Path. Today I would like to speak about recent survey and report that was published by Martech. They actually published this report last week. And this particular report speaking about tools and platforms that has been replaced by organizations in the last year. I would like to pay attention to top three. We don't speak about all of them, but top three, I think they worthwhile some attention. So, and the top of the list is marketing automation and email marketing or email distribution. So, marketing automation actually is at the top of the list for the second year in a row at 24%, followed by email, because many companies and organizations use the same tool for marketing automation as for email marketing. So obviously they pair together. Why is it at the top of the list? Companies, businesses, organizations trying to match users' intent, digital intent better understand their audience, provide value, understand how users behave. So basically it's all tied together in one place. Now, position number three, we have CRM, which also somehow some companies actually using CRM as the same platform as for marketing automation in email. So CRM is at 23%. It's on the third place. It's not completely clear why it was replaced this year if many companies acquired a new platform last year, especially B2B companies. Probably to much better user intent and just to try and fit in the better place for the user, again, in providing value, user intent, and just delivering the best experience, optimized experience, right? So everything could be at one place tied together. As you can see, top three positions, again, marketing automation on the first, email second, CRM third position. I can post a link to this report if you're interested to read in depth. It's quite interesting numbers in percentage wise, how companies invest in their tools in last year, right? So to match user intent better. I hope this video was helpful. I would like to see some comments, your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates, useful tips around digital and other aspects of my basically hobbies and profession. Have an amazing day, everyone. Bye now.